Glad you're here. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Today, we've got the Jaybird Vistas. We're going to open them up, try them out, and I'm going to let you know what I think of them. So let's go. Pretty nice. Here's the Vistas. Pop them out. See what else is in here. You get, looks like you got some different size silicone placement tips. And looks like these, they don't come with a little hook thing, whatever you want to call that. I don't know. I don't even know if there's a real name for that, but these don't come with it. Guide. That's about it. So, USB-C charging cord. This is how it's charged. Boom, USB-C. Charge up your charging case. So, let's check them out. Let's see inside. So, there they are. Just, you know, about the same as everybody else is making anymore. You have some different size tips that come with them. So, taking these out just to give you kind of a comparison. The tips that come with it, it says they're 2. Looks like a number 2. So here's one. Obviously, 2 is right in between 1 and 3. So 3 has a little bit bigger hook than 2. And 1 doesn't have any ear hook. So let's pair them up. I'm going to try them out and we'll see how they sound to me. One thing also, Jaybird has their own app so that you can download the app. You can pair these with the app, and then you're able to get a little bit more fine tuning on your EQ, as well as I'm sure some other specifics that I'll find out obviously at some point. But so it gives you a choice of what headphone you actually got. These are the Jaybird Vistas. Wonderful, they're dead. While those are charging, I just wanted to go over some of the features with you. You can get up to 6 hours of playtime from the buds themselves, plus an extra 10 hours using the case to recharge them. They're sweat and waterproof. You got an IPX7 rating on these. They say it has the sport fit. It's their own terminology, along with the JBS1 wireless technology. Again, their own terminology. You do get the single earbud mode, just like you would with AirPods. You take one out and then it transfers all of the stereo sound to one earbud. That's one annoying thing that some manufacturers do with their earbuds. Say you leave the right ear in, or the right earbud in your ear. You're only going to hear all of the channels and the recordings that were recorded on the right side if it's in stereo. Same thing with the left. You're only going to hear the left. So depending on how an artist has recorded their song or whatever you're listening to, that's going to play out in how you hear it. Example, you have a band, okay? You have a lead guitarist and a rhythm guitarist. Usually one's recorded on a right channel, one's recorded on a left channel. So if you leave the right in it only, you may only hear one guitar. So that's just kind of a quick example of what I'm talking about. It says you get a fast charge. You can charge them for 5 minutes and you'll get 1 hour of playtime. I'm hoping that's true since they were dead when I got them. Now I have to charge them. It's got a premium sound with custom EQ, which I like. I like being able to adjust my headphones. The one thing I don't like about Apple AirPods, you get minimal EQ adjustment if you go into the music app and you select all of the presets that they have there. With companies like Jaybird, they give you their own app so you can go in, make your custom EQ adjustments, which is great. Other than that, they're pretty minimalistic. There's not any crazy new features about them. They are wireless earbuds, so I'm gonna go back, see if they're charged up enough yet, and we'll try them out. So these little hooks here are meant to sort of hook into this little channel in your ear, keep them from falling out, I guess. And I'm assuming that's going to get irritating for me after a certain point, so they wouldn't be an all-day wear type of thing. Now everybody's a little bit different, of course, but I know I probably won't be able to wear them for a long period of time. But let's see how they sound. Oh, nice. It gives you a personalized adjustment, so it's going to take you through all these steps to find the right adjustment on the EQ for you personally. This is the first part of this is a sub-bass slider. It says to adjust the slider until you can hear the tone and then press next. Okay, which I'm going to do. Bass range, adjust the slider until you can just hear the tone, then press next. Okay, low mid-range, same thing. Adjust the slider until you can just hear the tone. Another mid-range, same thing. Now these tones are all different tones, so upper mid-range, presence and brilliance. That's it. Now I've got my own personal EQ set, as you can see at the top there. Also, just one thing, in the Jaybird app, they offer you all kinds of a variety of music and podcasts inside of the app itself. Also, in downloading this app, I did not have to register. Thank you, Jaybird. Unless you're trying to get some of the music to listen to on the app, then you gotta register. Okay. I am going to say I am thoroughly impressed with these headphones. Once I set that personal EQ adjustment, they sound great. I love the sound. In just the few minutes that I had them on, I'm already feeling a little bit of ear fatigue just because of the hooks. And these, they're not my favorite, but the sound is great. And I'm pretty impressed by the app, pretty impressed by all the customization that it offers inside of the app, as well as some of the extras. They're pretty small, simple case. That's it. I like them. They are $179.95 on Amazon. Again, Amazon's return policy is great. You got a 1-year warranty with these. They also have here your customizable. These are kind of like a wrap. It goes over the whole thing with the different ear hooks. So my recommendation is give them a shot. Try them out. See how they sound for you. I like the sound. I like everything about them, other than, and this is just me, the silicone. I don't like silicone tips that go into your ear. They're uncomfortable for me. And then this was causing a little bit of fatigue already, even though it's a smaller one on here. Maybe the bigger one would be a little more comfortable for me. If these don't bother you, these would be a great set of earbuds. They have the water resistance and the sweat resistance, unlike AirPods do. So you can get them wet, you can sweat in them, you can work out in them, you can do whatever in them, and they're going to be just perfect for you. Rinse them off, clean them, and they'll be ready to go for the next time. So you have my recommendation. Okay, and I would like to thank you for watching. Again, as I always say, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. And if you do, please click the notification bell, so every time I put out a new video, you'll know about it and you can watch it like everybody else does. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.